Good morning, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Live at Gapan North Central School News Center. I am Destiny Gail El Pasion, your weather forecaster for today. Today is May 1, 2024. The whole country will experience partly cloudy with warm and humid weather conditions. Apart from isolated rain showers or thunderstorms, mostly in the afternoon due to the easterlies, the maximum heat index, which combines air temperature and relative humidity, is calculated to be a blazing hot 45 degrees Celsius. The warmest part of the day will be from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Today's peak temperature is set to be relatively higher than the regular 33.4 degrees Celsius high of May. Sunrise was at 5:31 a.m. and sunset will be at 6:13 p.m. The daylight will last for 12 hours and 43 minutes. Again, Destiny Gail El Pasion reminds you to stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water.